the point in the sky I have designated in 2024, does it allow Vera Rubin to take one selfie of Planet 9 without the help of the world's most powerful peers and IA? If I'm right from June 23, 2025, my radical Galilean gesture P equals NP imposes one quantum link forbidden since 1981, between the local infraworld on Earth and the non-local of the universe's higher mathematics. Based on an archive image from May 1987, I have transmitted the real imprint of Planet 9 on its spacetime and weak fields to the Nobel Foundation. The question is therefore no longer one of mathematics or formal gravitational physics, but of perfectly differentiable and traceable modern Galilean science. To make a selfie of Planet 9 in full screen from the Earth, even though this planet is totally elusive by the peers of world cosmology and all the IA, would be the most radical event of all time. One experience of pure human thought would irreducibly take over the lead. To continue to claim the real and the true, P equals NP has the equilibrium of 0.0 with an approximate model P different of NP with two identical keys, would therefore automatically violate the law, and would be an imposture contrary to the greatest benefit of humanity that only Galileans guarantee in their cabin. Any transformation of the world, any acceleration must lead to the realization that movement must be like nothing, and the immobility of bodies must be a freely shared movement. If Planet 9 is indeed at the coordinates RA 15-hour and dec -30 degrees, then you've simply made a technical check of the key point of the vault, which was predicted in 2024 and which validates my complete theory, more coherent and infinitely more consistent than yours.